Hello friend, our today topic is writing a bass line. So bass line you can say, so in major keys, first we're going to do in major keys and then we're going to do it in a minor keys. So bass line is like the bass line is the line of music that is usually at the lowest register in the piece of music. Okay. So as you can see in the example, you can see, read this, go through on your own. You remember these Roman numbers. So according to these Roman numbers, we have to put our baseline over there. So without wasting time, let's straight away start to this one. So you can see that they have given the Roman number that shows that which uh, note do we have to put over here. So as you can see in the example, this is G major, right? And G major, the first is a tonic note and that is G. You can see this is a G. So same way here, this is D major scale. So the D major scale, this is first, the tonic note will be a D. So you can see this is D in the treble clef. So same way in the bass clef, it will be D. So this here, we're going to mark it here. Yes. And then we can make a stem to it. So let's make a stem. Let's make it downwards. Oh, yeah, let's go up. Okay. Now second here again it's a D. So we again make a D here. Let's make a D here. Then you can see this is a fifth degree. So this fifth one is in D major. The fifth will be D, E, F, G, and A. So we'll make an A. So you can see this is a bass clef and this is our A here. Okay. So that's how. And the last one again is the first one, that is again D. So we have to 3 by 4. Okay, one thing I forgot to do this. Sorry, that will correct just right now. Give me 1 second. So this is first is D. So this is our D. We have to make a dotted crochet note because the time signature is is 3 by 4. So we don't have to make these crochet notes. We have to make them as a, because 3 by 4 is a time signature, so this will be a dotted minim note. Okay, here as well. Let's correct these two as well. Sorry for my throat today. So let's do it again. This is our D. Let's go up, dotted, again D here, up and dotted. Okay, so now let's move on to the next exercise. Next you can see we have B flat major. So the first note is the first degree will be tonic note will be B. So this is a bass clef 2 by 4. So this is B here. So this you're gonna make one minim note. Yeah. Next again here B. Let's make that one. Next one is the fifth one. So in this one B, C, D, E, and F. So F would be the fifth one. So that is our F. Let's take it G here. So this is G and F. Let's take this F. Okay, and the last one again, fifth one, that is B. And let's make it here. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Next one we have F major scale. So F, that means the first is F note. So this is bass clef. So this is our F. Let's play this time this F. So here, this is 3 by 4. This will be a dotted minim note. Let's make this dotted minim. This is first again. Let's make it again. Then the fifth one, the fifth will be F, G, A, B, and C. So we're gonna make a C here. Let's make this C. We're gonna go dot it. And the first one again, we're gonna make F. Okay, now let's do the last exercise. Now they're saying use the root of each triad shown by the chord symbol to write a baseline. Now we have to check the chord symbol, which is given like C, G, G, C. You can see the example. This is C, bass clef, C. So same way earlier these were Roman numbers, now the symbols are there. Okay, so let's do according to that. So let's move on to the next page and do the first exercise. Okay, so this is our next page. Let's do the first exercise. So you can see this is given F here. This bass line. So F is, you can go here or you can go, let's crochet note. Okay, now next again we have a C. So that is our second space. Let's make it here. So dotted. Again, next is C again. Let's make C again. And the last one is F. So let's make this F this time. Okay, now let's do the next one. Again, it is very easy. G. So let's make a G, baseline G. This is 6 by 8. So we can have here. Let's make it dotted crochet note. So this will be a dotted crochet note here. Dot. Next is D. This is our D. Again. Then again D. Sorry, this is B. To make D. Sorry guys, these mistakes happen when I'm in hurry. So these ones happen. Sorry for this. Just to take your time to whenever you guys doing it. Again D here. That's why I always revise your exam once you've done it. So, and this is the last one is G. Again G here. And we make dotted. Okay, let's move on. The last exercise for this one is again B flat. So this is our B. It's 2. Let's make a minim. This is 2 by 4. F. Let's make F here. F again. And B flat. So here we finish with the major keys. Now the next question we have. So we have to check again the Roman numbers, Roman symbols, and then we go to the symbol chord symbols. Okay, so first let's do this one. So again, you can see they've given 1, 1, 5. So same way here, this is A minor. So the first note would be A, tonic note. So this is a bass clef. This is our A. This is 2 by 4. So this is a minim note we have to make. This is fifth. So we have A, B, C, D, and E. So we have E here. Let's make it downward. Then we have again fifth here. Let's make it E again. Down. And the first is again A. Let's do this upward. Okay. Now the next page. Let's move to the next page. Okay, now as we move to the next page, you can see again this is E minor. So this first tonic will be the E note. So this bass clef. So we can take E from here. Let's take this E. This is 3 by 4. That means this is a dotted minim. So we'll make a dotted minim here. Then again the first note again E here. That would be a dotted minim. The fifth one, so we'll use E, F, G, A, and B. So we're gonna use B. dotted, again the first one, E, and finish. Okay, next we have 6 by 8. So we're gonna go again, dotted minim we can use for this. The first one would be D minor, so we're gonna take D. Yeah, next one we have again is fifth note, that would be D, E, F, G, and A. Then we're gonna have A, first space, dotted. Next we have fifth again, A, dotted. The last one is first, so you're gonna use a D again over here, stem going down. Okay, so let's move on further. Next we have we can read here, use the root of each triad shown by the chord symbol. Now we have to use a chord symbol, not the Roman numbers. So you can see the example here. So let's do this. Okay, so this is A minor. So we have 6 by 8. So A minor is here. This is A. So let's make this. This will be a dotted minim note. Because the time is 6 by 8, so we should have 6 quarter notes in this one. So here again A minor. Next we have E. So this will be, let's take here E, and again A minor. Okay, now next we have again G major. This is G minor, sorry. So we're gonna use the first here, G will be a dotted semi-breve. Again here, this is D, a dotted semi-breve. Then here again D, dotted semi-breve, and again G minor, dotted semi-breve, because this has a value of 3 minim notes. So in the last exercise, you can see they have given B minor. So B minor, let's make this a bass clef. The B is here. We can go for this one. This is 3 by 8. So it will be a dotted crochet note. Then we have again B minor, again a B. Then this is F. So let's take this F over here. And last again is a B minor. Yep, so here we finish about this exercise. I hope you like this. Now I will see you in the next chapter. Till then, thank you.